A matter of a few weeks ago, Boris Johnson, the British Prime Minister, was talking about how this virus may well be away by Christmas and that the UK needed to open up again. Feels very much today that he is instead putting the brakes really on all of this for a number of reasons. First of all, you're right in terms of changing the rules for those that show symptoms of the coronavirus. Up until now in the UK, you'd only have to self-isolate for 7 days. That's now going to be extended to 10 to keep in guidance with the World Health Organization and indeed many other countries who suggest that you should isolate for 10 days if you show symptoms, is because new evidence suggests that people potentially can still infect others up to 7, 8, 9 days after they have shown symptoms. That's going to come into effect immediately. In addition to that, you're right to also say we've heard from the Office of National Statistics today suggesting that Britain has suffered the highest death rate of excess deaths of anywhere in Europe. Probably not a surprise given that the official total is the highest in Europe. But, you know, most experts do think that the excess death rate is the best measurement on all of this. And also we are expecting an announcement relatively soon about potentially other EU countries being added to the UK's quarantine list after Spain was added last weekend. Suggestions that Luxembourg almost certainly will, and potentially Belgium too, because there are concerns that there are, as Boris Johnson put it, certain spikes bubbling up in different parts of England, and that the infection rate still remains relatively high in certain parts, like for example in Leicester in the Midlands in England and in Oldham, which is in the northwest.